I think for a first-time home flipper, for somebody just getting into the game, that's a way they should definitely go, because this one I have is a doozy. There could be a plethora of things that could completely annihilate your ability to make money. And so I see the price on this and the potential spread, and I go, but is that spread worth the dread?
Hello, BiggerPockets. Pace and Jamil are back for another episode of Buy This, Not That. Thank you guys for all the love that you've been giving us on this format. We've been enjoying underwriting deals that you guys are submitting to us to actually go over and look at to determine whether or not this is a good deal that you should actually buy or whether it should be one that you pass on. Now, thank you guys for all the submissions, and we've got a couple of deals to go over with you today. But first, Pace, how you doing, man?
I'm crushing it, brother. Buying up deals. We're ending the year strong, trying to buy a 256 unit deal today. Not trying to buy it, closing on it today, 256 million. What about you, bro? I bet you had a great year this year.
Had a great year. I did not buy as much real estate as you, but I flipped a lot of contracts. And I actually been taking a ton of advantage of the rate shift and the market moving the way that it has. There's been a ton of wholesale opportunities available, and we've been scooping them up and flipping them out. And a lot of buyers taking advantage of all the 2017, 2018 prices that they can buy right now in today's stalled market. It's great.
What's the first house we got to compare to, Jamil?
I got a deal submitted to us from the BiggerPockets community that's in Vero Beach, Florida. This deal was a 2002 build, and I love that construction because, 2002 means that it's probably got pretty good electrical. It's probably got pretty good plumbing. There's a chance that you might have to redo a roof or possibly some AC work. But beyond that, structurally, foundationally, this house should be in pretty good shape. Now, it is a 1,496 square foot house, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, purchase price $200,000, ARV $300,000. So there's $100,000 in potential equity in this deal with a renovation. Now, I took a look at the $300,000 comp, and it actually just closed.
Oh, so fresh boy. Got a fresh boy.
We got a fresh boy. We don't need to make any adjustments with the market shifting downwards or anything like that. It's literally a week-old comp. The remodel that was done was very basic, standard Home Depot remodel, nothing crazy in there. And so, my opinion, I think you could probably get it done in, about $40 a square foot for the remodel. So to me, this feels like one of those great base hit fix and flip opportunities.
I love it. What do you think that the potential net profit is on a deal like this?
Well, if we run through the numbers on it, right? If you got a $40 per square foot renovation and you've got 1,496 square feet, you're looking at about $60,000. So if you buy this for $200,000 and you put $60,000 in remodel, you got about $40,000 in spread before closing costs. Now, if you sell it for $300,000, you're probably going to have about 7% in closing costs. So that's about $21K. So $300,000 minus 21 is about $280 minus $260 leaves you with about $20,000 in profit. So it's kind of skinny.
Okay, but skinny, but it sounds like a base hit.
But it's a base hit, Yeah,
you'll never lose a baseball game by just getting base hits.
And maybe you could take down, and I'm being very generous with conservative with the remodel at $40 a square foot. You could probably shave that down quite a bit if you did some of the work yourself.
Love it. Okay, cool. Well, I like the deal. And I think for a first-time home flipper, for somebody just getting into the game, that's a way they should definitely go, because this one I have is a doozy.
Ooh.
Okay. The problem is there's an allure of a lot more money involved in this deal than just $19,000. Okay. This is in Houston, submitted by a BiggerPockets listener. So guys, if you guys are watching this, buy this, not that, please submit us deals, either Instagram on my DMs or Jamil's DMs, and we'll look at your guys' deals. We'll analyze them, and we'll bring them up here on Buy This, Not That episodes. Now, my deal that I have is in Houston, Texas. It is a 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,410 square foot house. And the purchase price is $200,000.
Okay.
ARV, 415.
Dang.
415,000. That's a big juicy spread. Okay. Estimated rehab, $70,000. I'm going to give you some more insight into that $70,000 in a minute. Okay. The issue and where this lead came from is it looks like a home flipper got in over his skis, meaning, and are you guys seeing a lot of this right now?
Yeah. Tons of it.
People that bought houses in January, February, March of this year, interest rates went up, and the numbers that they thought they could exit these houses or these flips at are now 10, 15, 20% lower. This flipper, this lead actually came from a flipper. So he has a hard money loan on the house already right now. He's willing to let somebody take over the hard money loan payments and just take the project off his hands. He says, I don't even want any money. I just want to get this. I'm so stressed out.
So the 20% down that he put down, he's going to walk away from.
He's going to walk away. He doesn't want to burn his relationship with his lender. That's the thing. And he's got 5 other houses going on all simultaneously. And this is the one that he wants to offload. So there's little red signs or red flags that pop up in my mind, right?
Red flags. Yeah.
Red flag number 1. You are a flipper and you are the one that is giving me the renovation budget. That's where the renovation budget came from. You are also giving me the comp. That's where the comp came from. And you are also walking away from this project so you can go work on the other 4. What does that tell you? What red flags pop up in your mind when you hear all that?
I think that there's information that this person is not disclosing. To be honest, I think that there's a bomb in a closet. Like you don't walk away from your 20% down payment to save your relationship with your lender. I'm sorry, but I don't buy that. I think that there's a lot more going on here. And I think what's happening is this renovator realizes that this scope of work is way more than what they have the budget for. And they're not going to see a return on this.
I think what happened here, okay, understanding and reading some of the story, I think what happened here is that the flipper had a contractor that he hired. He probably bought too many houses being aggressive, and he went and used a contractor he didn't normally trust. That contractor either took money from him or did work improperly. And he says, I just can't deal with the headache. I was so stressed out about this property. I think that a combination of stress and some things going wrong inside this property are happening. So this is what it could be. Maybe electrical was done wrong, framing was done wrong, maybe the wrong permit was pulled. There could be a plethora of things that could completely annihilate your ability to make money. And so I see the price on this and the potential spread, and I go, but is that spread worth the dread?
Big time. I am always distrusting of these types of situations, man.
So for me, if I'm brand new to this game, I'm not swinging for the fences and hoping for a grand slam on this deal. I'm going to do a bunt on the first deal and try and just get on base. A guaranteed base hit all day long, $19,000 is better than a potential, maybe, hopefully, crossing my fingers, $50,000, $70,000, $80,000 when you have to deal with all the mucky muck that you have to trudge through. So I'm choosing the first deal.
I'm with you on that one, Pace. I will always take a base hit. For me, keeping our contractors busy, making sure that we have steady work for them, even if you're going to make $19,000, and even if it's a little less, say you make $15,000, the fact that we get to keep all of our crews busy, through the holidays, making more projects, just beautifying our city in any way that we possibly can. To me, that's good business.
Ding, ding, ding. That's what I would do. And here's the other thing I would do. If I were listening here right now on Buy This, Not That, I would be sending in submissions for your deals that fell apart. Hey, what did I see wrong? What question should I have been asking? Because this is the thing. We're not just analyzing deals. We're asking questions. We're undercovering more information. These are the questions you guys should be asking when you're out there working deals and working with each other. So thank you guys so much for being here. Jamil, what else you got for the people?
Well, I just want them to leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think of this format, because we really love underwriting these deals, and it all gives us an opportunity to really understand how the workings of real estate investors and how we think, how we analyze these opportunities. And look, not every deal is going to be a home run, but deals are deals, and being a part of this business means that we take action. Sometimes we take action with base hits, and sometimes we take actions where we swing for the fences and hit the home runs, but they all count. They all count on the bottom line. And I just appreciate everybody tuning in. And guys, make sure you do leave us a comment and let BiggerPockets know what you think of this format. And we will be back for more episodes of Buy This, Not That.